We'll get the dust.
Alright guys, well, welcome back to the channel. I'm here checking out a meet in Woodstock, Georgia. It is at a discount tire location. So as you guys saw in my last video, I did the install of the carbon fiber mirror caps on my F10 BMW. I washed the car and then I drove up here. Let's go check out the mirror caps on this car. See if you could pick it up. I don't know if you can see it, but that's what it looks like. Got an M3 coming in, bikes, another M3. Oh, that's a nice color. That's a very nice color. Honda Del Sol. Haven't seen one of these in a long time. Then we've got an assortment of Miatas over here. This one is really nice. I like the wide body treatment to it. All right, so we got a couple of Nissans over here. Silvias. That's a nice color on this green Silvia. Right hand drive, stock wheels, everything. And we got a couple of Skylines. This is an R33. Ooh, look at the turbo under the hood of this thing. RB26. And it's like a matte black, either wrap or paint. Got some custom buckets on the inside. Nice big carbon fiber wing coming around to the back. Wow. Holy potatoes. The hell is going on under here? You have a belt-driven supercharger? How much power does it add?
Right now it's at 340 to the wheel.
Wow. Wow, wow, wow. And I love the wheels too. It looks good. Wow, I love the Mustang with the white body kit. Whoa. This is amazing. Look at the back haunch on this thing. Look at the dish on the wheel. That is unbelievable. Then you got some aero bits. Nice wing back here. That is amazing. And I love the little Fiesta. Man, I have a thing for these Civics, man. These older Civics are just, they got something going for them. Got a couple of Corvettes over here. And some additional Mustangs. It's a really small parking lot, but a good variety of cars. Ooh, we got an old school Mustang over here. Wow, convertible as well. So under the hood, it's really, really clean under here. You can literally eat off of that stuff. Wow, we got a Supra over here. Ooh, nice. Not for sale. Everybody's doing wide body. Like, wow. You guys are rich. Whose car? It's yours? Wow. Dude, if you do wide body, you got money. There's no way you can hide.
No, he had money.
He had money.
I don't have money. Everybody says that. I don't have
So who did the work? You did it yourself? Was it hard?
It took a long time.
You had to cut the fender?
No, this one no. So
No.
this one, if I really wanted to,
Yeah.
I could turn this back into.
Oh, okay.
A normal
Easy to go back to
yeah.
stock.
Yeah.
339?
Yeah,
Wow. How long have you had her?
About almost 4 or 5 months now.
Wow,
I got
you
it
got
from
a
my old
unicorn. You got a stick in this boy.
I'm really happy with it. I
Wow.
love this car. It's really nice.
That's amazing.
I rebuilt the entire front and rear suspension
Wow.
on it, like within a month of buying.
So all the bushings was shot or something?
Yeah, every single bushing's been replaced. I had to remount the rear differential too.
Okay. Alright guys, well we came, we saw, we spoke to some people, but I hope I kind of gave you a flavor of what Atlanta does on the weekends when it comes to cars. Please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you on the next one. Peace.